I'm sexy and I know it.
Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
Up into second gear, so pull on that right hand pedal. Let me know when I put my foot down. Yeah, it's all clear, so you can stop pulling the revs. Upper gear. So upper gear, keep both hands on the wheel is what you want. So you want to be ready to grab those. You're on third gear through here. We're going to go nice and gentle. When we get to the orange, you can stop feeding in the power. You want to feed it in smoothly, let it build. That's it. Now upper gears, upper gear. That's it, upper gear. All the way to the double cones. That's the braking point. On the brakes, down the gear. And then wait till the yellow. That's the turning point, and then turn to your left. Yellow cone on the apex. So it's all cone to cones around here. So we go nice and gentle through this bit. This one's a little bit tighter, this left. Yeah, that's it. So this is the Gambon corner at the end. So we feed the power in, hard on the power, upper gear. That's it. Upper gear. All the way to the double cones. And on the brakes, down the gear. That's it. So the problem, the stalks do get in the way. Yeah. We've had quite a lot of wipers going this morning. So on the power, upper gear. So keep going. You can let it run out wide and then bring it back to the left. And then have the double cones on the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes. Yeah, it's down at the bottom there is your gear. So we're on the left hand lane here, so pop it upper gear. We just want to go nice and gentle through this bottom section here. This is the hammerhead corner, we do it backwards and it kind of doubles back on yourself. So this is kind of our slow zones we're coming past the cars. So a bit slower here and it doubles back in. Not yet, so we want to go nice and gentle through these low height cones till we get to the painted section because we've still got the people here. Once we get to the painted bit then we can go. That's it. Upper gear, keep going, we'll go past that Ferrari. Upper gear. Now on the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes, down two. That's it, so through at that now, back on the power, out to the double cones over there. It shouldn't be, we should be in fully manual mode now. So on the brakes, stay to the left of the line, go for that yellow cone, up and down, that's it. So third gear is kind of what you want to target for the corners. Loads of torque in this one, and then we'll let it drive out. Yeah, so this bit really is, it gets very slippy. When it's wet, it's really like ice around here. A lot of the aero fuel gets dumped down, and it causes a lot of upper gear. Upper gear. On the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes, brakes, down the gear. That's it, and let it run through there. The orange, you're back on the power, stay on the power around the left. That's it, upper gear. So keep going like that, upper gear. Bring it back to the left. On the brakes. Get rid of that. It's too windy. There we go. So yeah, it's a left-hand lane, so it's 2 laps done. So normally with the 6 miles we do 4 laps, and we're going to give you the extra one here as well, so we'll do 5, so that's 2 done and 3 to go. We'll go nice and steady here, we'll wait and see what this R8 is going to do. So back to our overtaking rules, wait for him to indicate left.
Not very fast.
Yeah, so we'll go, this is our slow zone section, so we have the cars coming across and the people, so we go slow all the way up to there. So wait until we get to the painted section, then we can blast past. Now he's giving us permission, so go now. That's it. Up again. That's it, we'll go past this Ferrari, up again. That's it, on the brakes, down again. Off the brakes, through the chicane, back on the up again. Over to the right hand side. There's a fast lap then 3 wants to come through. So on the brakes, we'll just let him pass. He gets a bit annoyed if he can't keep up with the supercars.
Oh, he's a lunatic. I have behind that with him.
Yeah, so they're doing the hot laps, chucking the car around. So they get a bit annoyed if we stop beating him. So yeah, the yellow, stop feeding in the power, let it run out wide. Sit hard on the power, let the revs build. Up and gear, all the way to the double cones. On the brakes, down 2. And then at the orange, we're getting back on the power. So on the power, hard on the power, that's it, all the way around, up again. Let it run out wide, bring it back to the left. Yeah. And on the brakes, down another, and then through the chicane. So 2 to go, we want the left-hand lane through here. So just go a little bit slower as we come through this section. So we have the cars cutting across going to get fuel and things, so we just have to be keeping nice and steady through this bit.
Didn't wonder why it was going so slow around it.
Yeah, so that's another one. Go, James, yeah. first. When we get to the painted section, then we can go. On the brakes, 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 brakes. Back on the power, double, yeah, all the way out to the outside. On the brakes, on the brakes.
Change gear in fifth.
Yeah, well, I think it keeps pulling this one, which is great, so you can do. So let it run out to the outside. So this is the demo lap car in the VXR in front. So once you come through to here, yellow cone on the power. So let the red go. Go past him. On the brakes, on the brakes. There's a Ferrari behind, wants to come past. It's the 458. So after this, stay left. Come off the throttle, off the throttle, off the throttle, because you'll struggle to get by if we're going fast. So on the power, on the power, on the power. They've got more power than us, so we can't compete with them, unfortunately.
Are you sure? Come on, yeah, check.
Yeah, we get pretty close. So left-hand lane again here, so round for one more.
I remember why it jolted, because it's come up in red still, put my foot down, and that's why
Yes.
it's jolting.
So is it?
That's
You're not doing that. That's
no,
the
the
kick
car's-
down. Right. Yeah. That's.
I'm putting my foot down.
I see. Yeah. So the kick, if you floor it, then it does that kick down for you. So drop it into second here anyway. So we've got that control. We get to the yellow. Feed it in. That's it. Up the gear. Up the gear. And on the brakes. We'll just stay behind the yellow one through the chicane. We'll wait to see if the old spotter's coming and indicate left, and then we can go by. Third keeps it nice and stable through here. Let's see what these guys are going to do. We've got a bit of traffic on this one. Hopefully that'll spot us, yeah. So he's indicating left, so we go to down his right hand side. He'll stay tight on the exit and on the power. That's not that, so that's it. And I'll try again on this one. We'll see if he spots us. Okay, go through on the right. Not all the cars have working indicators, which is also fun for the indicator.
I blame it's an American car.
Yeah, so back on the power. Kick down again, isn't it? Double cones. On the brakes. Down another. So we'll go around and do one more because we've got kind of balls in the traffic on that one.
Oh, thank you.
Leave it that. An extra.
Thank you. But remember not to put my foot down.
Well, yes, yeah. Yeah, I thought you were doing it yourself at first,
No,
but it
no,
makes
no,
sense
it's-
actually.
it's
the
the
kick
car.
down. Yeah, I know. It'd be nice if we could switch that off actually and give you full control. But so if you come through here, get it. Yeah, we've got it in second. So once we get through to the white, then we can go. It won't kick down from this bit. Smoothly on the bar, over here. Sit hard on the bar, on the bar. That's it. And on the brakes, 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 brakes. Drop it down again. That's it.
That's what I'm driving. Not that slow though.
How was the truck driving? You done that one?
Yeah, I've upgraded from just the normal.
Oh yeah. That's good. So I'll put the indicator on here. Looks like they're going quite gingerly in the GT3. So yeah, they're going left. Again for us, right hand. That's it. Yeah, so there we go. We're on the right hand lane and go through the orange cones this time. That brings us back into the pits. Enjoy that one? Yeah, it's a lovely car, isn't it?
Oh, power delivery. Well, yeah, definitely the power to delivery.
Yeah. So you follow the cones round to the left and then let's see if we Yeah, well, that's the you're never quite sure what you're going to get with some people, you know. And it is an experience today, and it's what you want to experience. So you can pull it into the right here. So as this is one of our premium cars, we're kind of keeping those lined up. It's so busy down there, so we put the premium ones here for make a bit of a good show of it as well. So that's it. It's your memory card.